Cutting hedges, trimming hedges has never been my favorite thing, and most people around here use machetes just like this, and they're great until they're not, right? This is a trimmer that I just received for my review. It is fantastic. I love how long it is. We've tried a lot of them that were a little shorter. Yes, they're super manageable, like it's easy to handle, but this thing, I mean, look at that. Beautiful, sharp, and we're gonna test it out on this little bush right here. And I say little, you've got some pretty thick branches here, even thicker right here. We're gonna see if it actually chops it all up. Talking about the actual setup here, it does come with removable batteries. You get 2 batteries in the pack, which is awesome. You also get it, you get the charger that you actually charge right over here in that little hole. And the only thing you need to do out of the box is put the guard on and put the handle on. So that handle is on with 4 screws and the guard is on with another couple of screws. And then all you need to do is press this button right here and trigger. So press the button and trigger, and away it goes. So let's try it out. My expectations are high. Okay. Expectations met. This was like cutting butter. You could tell this thing can handle even more because look how thick that is right there. That is, I mean, that's wide. You could literally go through. Let's see if I can actually do more. What would have taken me with a machete a lot more, strength and a lot more time, in a matter of seconds, I literally can trim this hedge, no problems. I think it's fantastic. The weight of it is actually super comfortable as well. It's not as heavy as you'd think. And love the length because then you can actually go really deep in those hedges instead of having your body over it, which I think is great. So yeah, a big winner in my book.